We are covering the 5 hazardous attitudes, a critical topic for the FAA Part 107 exam. This concept is a core component of Aeronautical Decision Making, or ADM. The FAA will test you on these not with definitions, but through real-world scenarios. Recognizing a hazardous thought is the first step toward neutralizing it. First is anti-authority, which is the mindset of "don't tell me." An exam question might describe a remote pilot who decides not to conduct a full pre-flight inspection because they've flown the drone 100 times and believe the rules are unnecessary. The correct response is to identify this as an anti-authority attitude. The antidote you must know is follow the rules, they are usually right. Next is impulsivity, the feeling that you must do something quickly. Imagine a scenario where a real estate agent is rushing you to get a final shot before sunset. You feel pressured and launch without double-checking the airspace on your Before You Fly app. This is impulsivity. The exam tests this through time-pressure situations. Your antidote is to consciously think, not so fast, think first. The third attitude is invulnerability, expressed as, it won't happen to me. A test question could describe a pilot flying a highly reliable drone over a small group of people, thinking that since they are an experienced pilot, and the drone is top of the line, an accident is impossible. This false sense of security is invulnerability. The antidote is to accept the reality that it could happen to me. Fourth is the macho attitude, the I can do it mindset. This is often tested with scenarios where a pilot takes unnecessary risks to impress someone. For example, a pilot attempts a highly complex maneuver in strong winds just to show off to a client, pushing the drone beyond its limits. A common exam trap is confusing this with invulnerability. The key difference is that the macho attitude is driven by ego and a desire to prove skill. The antidote is, taking chances is foolish. The final hazardous attitude is resignation, or what's the use? An exam question might place you in a situation where the weather suddenly deteriorates and the drone is being blown off course. A pilot demonstrating resignation would feel helpless and give up on trying to regain control. The correct antidote is to take action, reminding yourself, I'm not helpless, I can make a difference, and then executing an emergency procedure like returning to home. A simple way to remember these is the mnemonic I am air, invulnerability, macho, anti-authority, impulsivity, resignation. On the exam, focus on matching the pilot's thought process in the scenario to the correct attitude or the corresponding antidote. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.